Greetings, class, and welcome to Module 1. I wanted to take just a few minutes of your time to provide you with an overview of Module 1. Now, when we look at the calendar, remember that Module 1 does run over 2 weeks. We will have one discussion board that first week, and then a second discussion board that subsequent week. So the discussion boards will run consecutively and not concurrently. So Module 1 does have a number of resources for you. There is a strong emphasis within this module on primary, secondary, and tertiary prevention. And those terms are not new to you, I know, but you will be asked to explore and consider in more detail the crucial role of primary, secondary, and tertiary prevention strategies. You will also be asked to examine the significance of coordination and collaboration and healthcare across those levels of prevention. So within Module 1, there are a couple of resources to you that should be familiar because you have been introduced to primary, secondary, and tertiary prevention prior to this course, but of course there will be a significant number of new resources for you as well. Across Module 1, you will also be asked to explore complementary and alternative medicine, which is an element of integrative medicine along with preventative medicine. You will be asked to consider the arguments for an integrative approach in healthcare and what is the quality of evidence associated with the levels of prevention. Finally, what are the challenges of complementary and alternative medicine? So you will find a number of resources relative to integrative medicine, including an article relative to that topic area within Module 1. Module 1 also wants to introduce you to the impact of the environment. So the impact of environmental factors on health and disease, and you'll be asked to explore how to lessen the impact of environmental factors on chronic disease. You will also be asked to explore environmental public health tracking. Are you familiar with the environmental public health tracking system and the role that the tracking system plays? We know that its significance lies in its ability to empower communities to focus on local needs and community concerns. Environmental public health, it encompasses a number of components, we know that, such as food safety, water quality, lead, and much more. Finally, when we look at Module 1, you will also be reintroduced to the term upstream thinking, and I don't believe that that is new to you. There is a video that will provide you with a refresher, but the video itself does a nice job of illustrating the significance of investing upstream in prevention rather than downstream in intervention. There are a number of resources across Module 1. I would recommend that you begin with the earlier resources and then move into the supplementary materials. Now, those supplementary materials will be very useful to you as you answer Discussion Board 2 within Module 1. You will be asked in Discussion Board 2 to identify evidence-based strategies within population health to address a particular issue. And you can choose what issue that might be, whether it be obesity, hypertension, diabetes, etc. But these supplementary resources will be very beneficial to you in finding out evidence-based strategies to address a particular health issue. Please do take some time to review these. Please take some time to review the community guide, evidence-based programming resource. It is excellent, but each of these resources is beneficial. Recall that our discussion board does run from Sunday at 12:01 a.m. to Saturday at 11:59 p.m. So for our first discussion board this week, Module 1, Discussion Board 1, you should respond to the discussion board prompt prior to Wednesday at 11:59 p.m. and then you should respond to two peers' posts prior to Saturday at 11:59 p.m. On Sunday at 12:01 a.m., we will stay within Module 1, but we will move to discussion board prompt number 2. If you have any questions as we move forward, please do not hesitate to reach out to me, and I look forward to an interesting discussion this week. Thank you.